Here are 3 easy ways you can use Google to help you learn another language. The first way is with define. So if you click the word define into your search engine, you can then click any word that you don't know what it means. For example, flower, stick it in, and it will define that word for you. Now that is one way that you can use it to help you understand a language. If you don't know a word, you can stick it in there and the dictionary comes up for you right away. Now, it's not only that, it's simple. You can also press this button, and if I press it when I'm not talking, you'll be able to hear the word.
Flower.
So, Google not only tells you what it means, but it tells you how to say it.
Flower.
Then it will go one step further. If you want to learn how to pronounce it, you can click this button here. Or in your search engine, you can just write how to pronounce and then any word that you want to learn how to pronounce. And then it will spell it phonetically and you can hear it.
Flower.
You can also slow it down so you can hear it better.
Flower.
And then the best part here is you can click practice. So Google will actually listen to you and tell you if you're saying it properly. So let's try that. I'm going to just click off slow here, and then we're going to click practice. Flower. It says I did a good job, and let's hear what it says. Flower. So it's my voice coming back through the computer to make sure I've said it correctly. Now let's try it again and I'll say it differently. Flower. So it's going to analyze what I said. You can hear how you said it. Flower. And then it says try to say fla instead of flow. Then not only that, it shows you how to improve. It tells you what you should do with your mouth. Relax your lips, lower your tongue until you hear and then bring your lips forward for the O, for the W, flower. Then it will give you different words to practice with. This is amazing. So if you need to learn how to pronounce something, this is a great way to do it. So we've actually done 2 things already. I told you I'm going to give you 3 ways that Google will help you learn a language. 1, it'll give you definitions for words you don't know. 2, it'll teach you how to pronounce those words. And then 3 is it will translate those words into your own language so that you can understand them if you don't understand the definition. So we're going to translate the word flower. So if I wanted to translate the word flower into Somali, you would have this word. And I'm not going to try to say it because I don't know how to say that properly. But if we picked another language, so just to show, you can have this is your language that you're starting in, and you can change that. This is the language you want it to go into. So if we picked, say, Punjabi, it would give you the Punjabi here. If we picked, I'm looking for French, oh, maybe Chinese. Simplified, and then if you listen, there's a button at the bottom. Not all languages have the button to listen, but Chinese Simplified does, so we can listen to
Hua. Hua.
Hua. So you can learn how to say those different words. Now, if you didn't want to do Chinese and instead you wanted to do French, French also has the button
Fleur.
Fleur, and then learn how to pronounce comes up underneath. So we can go back to fleur, and you can try to pronounce it. Now, it doesn't have all the steps that it has for the English words because this is an English system. So it's going to help you learn English the best. The other languages it will do its best. It will give you the words, it will give you the translations, it will give you sounds if it has it, but it may not be able to tell you how to hold your mouth and how to do all of those things. This is 3 quick ways Google can help you learn English. Define, how to pronounce, and translate.